Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Annapolis. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I am planning a weekend getaway to Annapolis, Maryland, to explore the historic capital city. Annapolis is the capital of Maryland and is known for its historic landmarks, maritime culture, and prestigious United States Naval Academy. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.